What is that, guys? Package management. So package management is nothing but how to install the softwares in Windows. How to install the softwares in Windows, guys? So for example, next, 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 right? Next, 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 and finish. It will finish the. It will finish it, right? So what is the extension? What is the extension file you want to install the in Windows, guys? So what is the extension? The file
exe.
extension. Yes, very good. .exe. Exe is nothing but a executable format. So executable format. So if you want to install the any software in the Windows, so which format we need, guys? .exe format we need, right? Yeah. So how you can verify? Now you understood how to install the packages. Okay. So here, yeah, how to verify the packages if the packages. Yes, how to the so if the package or software is installed or not in Windows, how to verify? Yes, in Windows, how to verify it? Do you know?
In program files, we will check.
Yes. So go to control panel, programs, programs and features. So in that, it will show the list of packages installed. Okay. What is it? Control panel. With the control panel, programs and features. You see, these are the packages, these are the softwares installed on Windows machine. On Windows machine, right? How you can uninstall it? How you can uninstall? If you click the right link, if you click uninstall, it will automatically uninstall the softwares. Right? How to uninstall the packages. So right click and install the packages. Okay. So right click and uninstall the packages. So so now you understood Windows. Windows is a GUI. It will be very easy to install, verify, delete, remove, uninstall everything. But in the Linux, right, everything through commands only. How we can install the packages? So what is the extension package we need for the Red Hat? Okay, .rpm is the extension. So for the Mac, guys, does anyone know for the Mac what is the extension? .dmg, .dmg or .dpag. Okay, these are the extensions for the dot. So for Red Hat, CentOS, Fedora, Oracle, Linux, Oracle, Amazon, Amazon. So what we need, guys? We need a .rpm package to install the software. To install the software. Press